Good evening, everyone. Okay, so let's go over the charts quick. I'll go over some levels that we've tapped and what I'm kind of looking for over the next couple days. I did take some shorts up here. I got a short here, and I did scalp take profits on them. I got a little offside for a little while in these shorts, but I did end up. We had a key level here that's not on the chart anymore. I did hold my shorts from here, backed into the lows. And then when we came into the New York Open, in the members group, I was saying just waiting for the New York Open and just pointing out that the first couple 5-minute candles in the New York Open are oftentimes major pivots. So if you're at a key level during that, it's a nice time to look for positions. So I took a scalp long here. I closed about 75% of it here because I had a limit order. And then as we pushed higher, I was waiting to take these highs, and we took them, and I took a small short and just said, I am anticipating having to add to this position up higher. It's not unlikely that we push up more into this key level, which is a major golden pocket pulled from the high to the low. Also a nice trend line there. So we did push up, and I added much more heavily to my shorts here. So my average entry is actually almost in the golden pocket. But I took a small position in case we rejected off this initial swing failure, and then I added a little bit up here. So we got a really nice rejection. We're currently at local support. I'm just going to flip over to this chart. But I'm not interested in longing this. We're coming off of a lot of bearish absorption in volume delta. So for now, happy to be sitting in shorts. I got that nice scalp long into a scalp short. And then I also traded CRV short. I'll point out OGN's coming to a level. I did a members altcoin live stream. So I set some alerts. This is the line I had drawn back in that live stream. But just looking for us to come back down to this key level. Maybe look for a long down here on OGN. But I also shorted CRV. Which is, I have two charts here. I have a Bybit chart and a Binance chart. I like Bybit. So the idea at the time, we were down here, was pushing up into the channel, and as we pushed up, I was waiting for Bitcoin to swing failure the highs, and then I was going to time my short there. I shorted around here, and if we had claimed this 50% fib, I was going to close the short, but we never claimed it. We wicked through it a little bit, but I just circled here because somebody in the members group said they were looking for an entry, and I just said, this local swing failure here, as we claimed this high and rejected, would make a nice maybe short entry. But so we're getting a nice rejection there. Pushed up through the channel a little bit, but I really like this level for a short. Certainly profits locked in already. ETH as well. I actually took a small long on this as well. This was at the same time I took that New York Open long. Nice key level, and then took a short on ETH as well, which came down into this trend line ultimately for a rejection. So I was just interested in shorting this rally, ultimately expecting lower, but took the scalp long into the shorts, and happy to be sitting in those for now. Not really interested in taking these scalp longs here. We certainly could push up. Anything can happen. We could come retest the highs, we could break the highs and go higher, but for now, I'm kind of anticipating lower, and I'd like to see this low swept around 18,500. And if we can reclaim that, I'd be interested in looking for longs, but for now, just carrying my shorts lower at the moment. Yeah, so anyways, a good day of trading. Some nice respected levels. We had that long weekend yesterday, so I feel levels weren't as well respected. I mean, we did get really clean rejections from some of the levels. Like this was a nice clean golden pocket rejection, which I shorted. I took profits on it, but I did hold my. Initially, I held the stop here, and I got stopped out, so I was at a slight loss. But then I just kept my short. I reopened my short because I was anticipating lower into the New York Open. Actually, when price was up here, I just pointed out in the members group, we have two levels that would be of interest for the New York Open. And I just said, hey, look, we have this, let me actually go back here. We had this trend line. And I said, it'd be interesting. Price was here. If we either are going to tap this trend line for the New York Open or this trend line for the New York Open. And I said, these are the two levels to watch over the night. We'll see tomorrow morning. And we ended up, opening here. And so I was interested in that long. I was prepared to possibly be taking that long if we got this retracement through the night into this level, which is this uptrend point of control, golden pocket, which we wicked through a little bit. But right on that New York Open, took that long right here with a stop under the point of control. Anyways, that's going over the levels. Right now, expecting lower. We have, like I said, lots of bearish absorption on these rallies. So happy to be in shorts. All right. Have a good night, everyone.